I'm going fishing. I'll be sure to bring home some fresh fish, okay? Okay, I'm just watching TV. Okay. I got something! Oh, I don't want this. Ow! Uh-oh! Oops. Yes! No! Oh no! I hope I don't lose my fishing pole this time. Yeah! Oh! Not again. This time I won't lose my fishing pole with this. No! It's a good thing that chain caught it. Oh no, help! What a mess this place is. You're a very bad somebody. No more play on fishing lines, okay? You're home just in time for me to cook it. What is this? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe below. Please check out more of these cool videos on Amazing Brick Movies. Bye!